Did you know that those late-night trips to the kitchen might actually be your body's way of screaming for help rather than just a simple lack of willpower? And for those over 60, these cravings could be linked to something as critical as the circulation in your legs. Imagine if the secret to better blood flow, deeper sleep, and a leaner waistline was hidden in what you chose to eat right before bed, rather than just what you avoided. Most people believe that eating late at night is the ultimate sin for health and weight management, but today we are going to dismantle that myth and replace it with a scientifically backed strategy that focuses on nourishing your body, improving your vascular health, and silencing those nagging hunger pangs for good. If you have ever felt that restless, heavy sensation in your legs, or found yourself staring into the fridge at 11 p.m., wondering why you can't just feel satisfied, this deep dive is designed specifically for you. We are going to explore why these cravings happen, the biological connection between midnight snacking and senior vascular health, and exactly which low-calorie snacks can actually act as a medicinal boost for your circulation while keeping your caloric intake in check. Understanding the why behind late-night hunger is the first step toward mastering it. As we age, our bodies undergo significant metabolic and hormonal shifts. For individuals over 60, the hunger hormones ghrelin and leptin can often fall out of balance, making you feel hungrier than you actually are, especially as the sun goes down. Furthermore, poor circulation in the lower extremities can create a sense of discomfort that the brain sometimes misinterprets as a need for energy or comfort food. When we talk about increasing blood flow in the legs fast, we aren't just talking about exercise. We are talking about the vasodilation properties of specific nutrients found in the right snacks. For instance, many people reach for processed crackers or sugary cereals when the late-night hunger hits, but these foods cause a rapid spike in blood sugar, followed by a crash that actually inflames the blood vessels and hinders circulation. Instead, we want to focus on foods that promote the production of nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is a molecule that helps your blood vessels relax and dilate, allowing oxygen-rich blood to flow more freely to your feet and calves. One of the most powerful ways to trigger this process is through the consumption of nitrate-rich vegetables or specific fruits. Think about the humble beet. While you might not think of a beet as a midnight snack, a small glass of diluted beet juice or a few roasted beet slices can significantly boost blood flow within hours. But let's look at more traditional snacking options that fit the low-calorie profile. A small bowl of mixed berries, specifically blueberries and strawberries, provides flavonoids that have been shown to improve the function of the endothelium, which is the inner lining of your blood vessels. When your endothelium is healthy, your legs feel lighter, and your heart doesn't have to work as hard to pump blood to your extremities. Transitioning from the science of circulation to the practicality of calorie control, we have to address the crunch factor. Many late-night cravings are sensory-driven. We want something crunchy and satisfying. Instead of reaching for potato chips, which are loaded with sodium that causes water retention and swelling in the legs, try air-popped popcorn, seasoned with a little bit of turmeric and black pepper. The turmeric acts as a potent anti-inflammatory agent, while the fiber in the popcorn keeps you full without a heavy caloric load. This leads us to another critical component of senior health: magnesium. Magnesium is a mineral that most seniors are deficient in, and it plays a massive role in muscle relaxation and preventing those painful nighttime leg cramps. A perfect low-calorie, magnesium-rich snack would be a small handful of pumpkin seeds or a tablespoon of almond butter on a celery stick. These snacks provide the healthy fats needed for hormone production while ensuring your vascular walls remain flexible. Now, you might be wondering about the drink, this part of the equation mentioned for increasing blood flow. While water is essential, certain herbal infusions can act as a catalyst for vascular health. Hibiscus tea, for example, has been studied for its ability to naturally lower blood pressure and improve overall circulation. Drinking a warm cup of hibiscus tea alongside a light snack can help satisfy the oral fixation of snacking while actively working to flush out excess sodium and improve the heaviness. Many seniors feel in their legs at night. Another incredible option is a warm lemon, ginger water. Ginger contains compounds called gingerols that have a thermogenic effect and stimulate blood flow throughout the body. As we move further into the evening, the goal is to avoid heavy proteins that take a long time to digest, as this diverts blood flow away from your extremities and toward your digestive tract, often making leg circulation worse during sleep. Instead, aim for a small amount of Greek yogurt. It contains calcium and potassium, both of which are electrolytes vital for maintaining the electrical signals that keep your heart beating steadily and your blood moving efficiently. If you find that your cravings are more about a sweet tooth, reaching for a square of dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa can be a game changer. The cocoa beans are packed with polyphenols that stimulate the lining of the arteries to produce nitric oxide, effectively relaxing the vessels in your legs. It is important to remember that the timing of these snacks matters just as much as the content. Aim to consume your low-calorie snack about 60 to 90 minutes before bed to allow your blood sugar to stabilize. This prevents the spike and crash cycle that leads to restless sleep. Speaking of sleep, there is a direct link between sleep quality and vascular health. If you are tossing and turning because you are hungry, your body stays in a state of stress, producing cortisol. High cortisol levels cause blood vessels to constrict, which is the exact opposite of what we want for leg health. By choosing a snack like a sliced kiwi, which actually contains serotonin and precursors, you can promote better sleep while staying under 100 calories. We must also discuss what to avoid. Sodium is the hidden enemy of the over 60 demographic when it comes to late-night snacking. Even healthy-looking frozen meals or canned soups can contain enough salt to cause your ankles to swell by morning. This swelling, known as edema, puts immense pressure on your veins and makes it harder for blood to return to the heart. To counteract this, prioritize potassium-rich snacks like a small banana or a few slices of avocado. Potassium helps your kidneys flush out excess salt, which immediately eases the burden on your circulatory system. As you integrate these habits, you will notice that your legs feel more energized in the morning, and those intense cravings start to fade as your body finally receives the micronutrients it has been lacking. Managing late-night hunger isn't about deprivation. It's about choosing functional foods that serve a purpose beyond just filling your stomach. By focusing on nitrate-rich, magnesium, heavy and low-sodium options, you are essentially giving your body a vascular tune-up while you sleep. To recap what we have covered today, controlling late-night cravings is best achieved by choosing low-calorie, nutrient-dense snacks like berries, pumpkin seeds, and hibiscus tea that specifically target nitric oxide production and anti-inflammatory pathways. By focusing on these senior-specific health tips, you can significantly increase blood flow in your legs, reduce nighttime discomfort, and maintain a healthy weight. If you found this information valuable, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and let me know in the comments what topic you want to see next.